The punchline of Progress: Why Spirituality Seems Like a Joke. We live in a world obsessed with what you can see and touch. Big houses, fancy cars, the perfect Instagram feed. Our lives are filled with constant noise and distractions, making it hard to focus on anything beyond the material. In this race for stuff, spiritual people, those who prioritize things like mindfulness and inner peace, often become the punchline of a joke. They are seen as outliers in a society that values tangible success. They're seen as naive dreamers, out of touch with the real world. People often mock them, thinking they are wasting their time on impractical pursuits. They're told to get their heads out of the clouds and focus on what really matters. The pressure to conform to societal norms is immense, but what if what really matters is exactly what they've found? What if inner peace and mindfulness are the keys to true fulfillment? The problem isn't spirituality itself, it's the misconceptions surrounding it. People misunderstand its purpose and benefits. Spirituality isn't about rejecting the material world, it's about finding balance. It's about integrating inner peace with outer success. It's about understanding that true happiness comes from within, not from external validation. When we realize this, we can live more meaningful and content lives. Beyond the crystals and incense, redefining what it means to be spiritual. Spirituality is often reduced to images of crystals, incense, and tie-dye. While these things can be part of a spiritual practice, they don't define it. Spirituality is about connecting with something bigger than yourself, whether it's nature, art, music, or a higher power. It's about cultivating self-awareness, practicing gratitude, and living with intention. It's about recognizing the interconnectedness of all things and striving to make a positive impact on the world. In a world that often feels divided and chaotic, spirituality offers a path to inner peace and connection. The science of stillness: how meditation rewires your brain for success. What if I told you that spending just a few minutes a day in stillness could transform your life? Imagine starting your day with a clear mind and a sense of calm that carries you through even the most stressful situations. It might sound too good to be true, but science is proving otherwise. Researchers are uncovering the profound effects of meditation on the brain and overall well-being. Meditation, a cornerstone of many spiritual practices, is no longer just a New Age trend. It has become a mainstream tool for mental and emotional health. It's a scientifically proven method for improving focus, reducing stress, and boosting emotional well-being. People from all walks of life are incorporating it into their daily routines. Studies show that regular meditation can literally change the structure of your brain, increasing gray matter in areas responsible for learning, memory, and emotional regulation. This means better cognitive function and emotional stability. This isn't about escaping reality, it's about enhancing it. Meditation helps you face challenges with a calm and focused mind. By calming the noise of the mind, we create space for clarity, creativity, and deeper connection with ourselves and the world around us. This practice can lead to a more fulfilling and successful life. Section 4. Secret Weapons of the Superstars. From Wall Street to Hollywood, spirituality is trending. Think spirituality is just for yogis and monks? Think again. From Oprah Winfrey and Ariana Huffington to Steve Jobs and Ray Dalio, many of the world's most successful people credit their accomplishments to their spiritual practices. These practices are not just a trend but a way of life. These leaders, innovators, and artists understand that success isn't just about working harder, it's about working smarter. They know that balance is key. They've learned to harness the power of mindfulness, meditation, and other spiritual practices to enhance their focus, creativity, and resilience. They're not afraid to admit that their inner world is just as important as their outer achievements. This inner peace translates to outer success. In fact, they see their spiritual practices as essential tools for navigating the challenges and pressures of their demanding lives. These practices help them stay grounded and focused. Section 5. True Wealth. Whispers: finding abundance beyond the bank balance. We're conditioned to believe that wealth is measured by our possessions. But deep down, we know that true fulfillment runs deeper. It's about the quality of our relationships, the impact we make on the world, and the sense of purpose that guides our lives. Spiritual people understand that true abundance isn't about accumulating more, It's about appreciating what we already have. It's about finding joy in the present moment, cultivating gratitude for the simple things, and living with a sense of purpose that extends beyond ourselves. When we shift our focus from material wealth to inner richness, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. Section 6. Your invitation to inner peace. It's time to rewrite your own story. The world might laugh at spiritual people, but maybe, just maybe, they're the ones who are truly on to something. They've discovered that true happiness doesn't come from chasing external validation, it comes from cultivating inner peace. You don't have to live in an ashram or renounce all your possessions to embrace spirituality. Start small. Take a few minutes each day to meditate, connect with nature, or simply appreciate the present moment. The journey to inner peace starts with a single step. What will yours be?